Are you struggling to keep up with design demands? Well, Canva's AI tools are here to save the day. Today I'm going to be sharing how Canva's AI powered features can help you create stunning designs in minutes instead of hours. From automated resizing to the AI assisted design ideas, these tools will revolutionize the way that you work. If you don't know me, my name is Lauren, and this is Carolina Canva Crew. If you are here just because you want to be part of a crew, then you are always welcome here. That is great. If you are someone who likes designing, learning how to make money, doing those things, saving yourself time, you are definitely in the right place. I really wanted to start off with talking about why AI is a game changer. So, artificial intelligence, this is not just for tech experts. It is now integrated into Canva, so it's making your designs easier, faster, smarter. There's a lot of benefits to these tools and features. Number one being the fact that it's going to speed up these repetitive tasks. So if you're someone who has a print on demand business or you're building out your Etsy store and putting out digital designs, this is making it easier than ever. Another good thing is that not that it was already great to begin with, right? But now it's offering suggestions that are tailored to your needs. It's really learning how to understand you and what you like. It really even helps beginners achieve professional quality designs. So with Canvas AI tools, you don't no longer have to, spend hours tweaking and brainstorming because it's really doing the heavy lifting for you. So without further ado, let me just show you some of these AI tools that Canva does have. They're absolutely amazing. We'll just start off by opening this Instagram. It's just a square space. If you are doing something, imagine creating a design and you can resize it for all platforms. So if I really, really liked this design and I could just very easily make it something with my logo, which I'm made with love. Now, let's say I really did like this. I could animate it, I could leave it alone. But if I want to be sharing this product, maybe I'm so excited about this logo that I want to share it on Instagram. And then I want to turn around and share it on Facebook or Pinterest. It used to take so long to do this, but this tool alone can save you hours of designing. So right now I'm in an Instagram post. I can easily go up to this resize button right here, and I could, oh, here's some social media right here, but you can type it in. Maybe you want to make it a reel, TikTok video, and add some of that animation. You can add audio to it, captions to it. Here's things for Facebook. So this one tool alone, and this is a pro tool, but it's definitely worth it. Another thing that is just a pro tool, but say you have something that we want to use a photo for this, but maybe we'll just type in Christmas tree because we're in the Christmas season, and you find something but you really want to get rid of the background. So we'll go in here to photos. Say this one has a white background, so this one looks like it would be easy. So you can't see that white because it's on a white canvas. So we'll change the background color just so you can see. But now we're going to click on this image, and now there's one tool that can get rid of that background for you. See, now it's gone. This is really great if you're into designing things, especially print on demand, or you're making things at home. You want to put a design on a t-shirt, on a mug, on a tumbler. All of those things have to be without, or most of those things have to be without a background. Also, you can take this background tool and now you can use the resize tool because maybe that t-shirt has a different dimension than that cup would have, And so you can easily go in and, if you're on Printify, it'll tell you, maybe 1200 by 1800 for this design. And so you are able to type that in. You would just hit custom size, and whatever it's telling you, you have the option to copy this design so you're not messing with the original one and resize that one. So now you keep your original one. Say I had it at 5,000 by 5,000 pixels, but I need to make it 1,200 by 1,200. It would be very easy for me to keep this design and make a new one, or I could just resize this design altogether. So it just, wow, it really makes it perfect for all those different things. Okay, so now we're getting into another AI type of thing, but it's really just an intuitive template. You can get into it where design suggestions, so to speak. So this has to do with like the different brands or the things that you're constantly working in. But if you were to create a new design, there's a template of things that you can choose from. So if I wanted to make a TikTok video, I could do that. And then you go into the templates here, and I could type in inspirational, and it would come up with these. You can change it with your brand colors. Over here you have this brand feature that is a pro feature, but you can set like, this is my favorite color palette. That's what I like to work with. So there's just so many different things that you can do when it comes to having the ability to design whatever it is that you want to design until your little heart desires. The next one would be text to image. So if you really are not finding anything in the element library, say you're looking for something like a coffee cup or coffee beans, and it's just not really doing what you need it to do, you can go over here and create your own. And so again, if you're here in the Elements tab, you'll see a tab now, a section for AI image generator. And so you just click create your own. And so you just need a couple words to be able to describe what you're looking for, but we'll do pile of coffee beans just to keep it simple and not take up a whole lot of time here. You're able to tell it what style it is that you're looking for as well. And so it gives me a couple different things. So now maybe I add a coffee mug from the Elements tab, and I add this here to my design. And so that is so great because you don't need to go into this whole nother AI tool in order to be able to look for something that might be more of an individual need for you, and maybe there's just not a whole lot of options. I haven't found that there's not enough options for me, so this is not something that I use daily, but when I was looking at branding and things like that, I thought it was a really great feature to keep your own style, your own business kind of more unique and creative than what you would see everywhere else. The next one I want to talk about is Magic right now. This is something that you can only get when you're working with documents. So how you do that is you go to File or Home, and you want to create a new design. And right here you'll see something that says Doc, and so that's obviously a document. And this is where you will find the Magic Write tool. This is very, very powerful. If you're thinking about something like ChatGPT, this is very similar, but it actually puts it together for you, which is extremely nice. I can't say enough things about this tool. I've actually used it to help me write Etsy product descriptions, and help family with resumes or just whatever it is. And there's so uh, to be able to stay in one platform, you feel like you have an all-in-one solution. And so that's where I feel like Canva has really led up to this year. When they had Droptober, I mean, that was a game changer, especially for people who are very familiar with working in Canva. You know how much time you thought you were saving to begin with, but after these features, man, I've been able to push out a lot more and be so much more effective with all of these tools. So let me just show you here. Now we have a blank document open. Totally great. You click here on the magic right. And this is where you can tell it whatever it is that that you want to do. It's crazy, guys. Okay, so this is it. You need at least 5 words because you need to be able to say descriptive enough. So, okay, we're talking about AI things. So we will just say, create a 1-page document on Canva AI tools. And then we're going to click generate. Do you see this? And it's putting it together for you. So here, you have this, but you want to add something. No, okay, that's great. You like it how it is. You're able to insert it and edit it, obviously. Okay. I shouldn't even show you this because this is really what my video is. Or maybe I could just put it in the description for those who want to read it instead of watch the video. But how crazy is that? I mean, it will put together so many different presentations for you. So if you are struggling to write engaging captions, or you need help with work, or you need just some creative spark and you're not getting it with the images, this is absolutely wonderful. So when we're talking about how is it going to fit into different workflows, so say you're a social media content creator, you are able to take these now, and we're going to be able to post this video by resizing it and sending it to Facebook. We are going to be able to resize it and put it on Instagram. There are so many different things for social media creators that will truly save you a lot of time, because creating content is not easy. For business owners, like I was talking about earlier, where you can have your brand kits, there's plenty of different things for flyers, brochures, the logos that we looked at before. So in addition to the fact that now you have this magic right tool, so you can get unique product visuals on top of being able to have the information to go along with those visuals without spending more than 5 or 10 minutes, and actually have a true, realistic, professional quality design. So that's a game changer there. Let's see, for students and educators, you're able to make infographics, posters, things for your classrooms. You can make summaries for your kids, or notes, study guides. On top of all this, there's, for business owners, educators, workers, students, doesn't matter who you are, the collaborative tool now allows you to collaborate with others so you can work on projects together. Maybe you make a study guide for your kids and everybody has a part. I don't know, maybe you're working on a business project, and maybe I do really good at one thing and somebody else does really good, or we've been delegated with those responsibilities, and so that's something that we can work on together without having to be in the same space, which is great now with all the remote work and people's busy schedules. So I think if you're able to not only utilize these tools but then combine these tools, this is an absolute powerhouse and a game changer. There's no way that you are not able to either enhance what you're doing or be making money extra money doing this. If you have knowledge and a skill set of anything, take these tools and enhance it and do something with that, because somebody is going to want that information, and this is just making it so much easier for you. So I'm excited to know which Canva tool you're most excited to try. Or if you try them, what is your favorite tool and how does that help you? So if you let me know in the comments, that would be so great. If you found any of this content helpful, or you liked it, or you want to see more, like, subscribe, share. I appreciate all of that love. But if not, I will be back with another video. And thank you.